Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. And if you've already subscribed, welcome back. As you can see, the focus of this video is my robotic arm with pneumatic hand, with a pneumatic engine right here, and I have to lower the camera to show you, which is right here. Two interfaces and pneumatic system and motors to move the arm. Also some motors on the arm to get things going. And last time I made a start with improving the algorithm to provide more data to the data log. So let's go there and see whatever I can improve more about that. So, camera pointed on the different side of the hand and arm again, with here the source code and the place where I give the command. So I can lower it for now. This is the data log, and let me name it for data log. And well, this one speaks for itself, but set title for execution. And last time I inserted pitch pull in it, but then the question arises, where is the release? Which is here, amongst others. And this is release yaw, but I have a hand to a pitch to release as well. So let's say, where's the next one? Hand pitch release. And that is already in the log file, or should be anyway. So let's see, where is a release? Not there. Let's go to the start of it, and once again, where's release? Not found. So in order to get it into the log file, I have to run the software. So let's do that. And here it already says release, so I can do it without much problem. Right, now it is releasing very slowly. But no, it is pulling again. So did it even, but it started releasing. So let's take it all back and then quit executing, like right now, and find another release. It's not found. That means that it doesn't even come here. So how come that I see it being released, but it's not entering the data log? That's a problem. Then there is another point of confusion. If you put something on screen or in the data file, then it is obvious that you put in the right stuff, the right text, the right digits. So if I look here, if not T2 digital 2, interface 2 and switch 2. However, if I have here pitch pull start with result 0, as turns out to be here, then it is evident that you also look at a status, what is 0. So pitch pull start and pitch pull end. And then with searching it turns out that this particular part of the software is not even used yet. So let's start once again and see if that does make a difference somehow. Because right now it's pulling and now it's releasing again. And when you look at these switches, I have to have a delay. That was obvious, and I had it at 30 seconds, which did make a difference somehow. So now the question is, what is the difference in the log file? Can I now exactly see what happens? So once again, let's wait till it's almost at the end of the routine. Almost there. Now it's there. And yep. Okay, and I have to be in the right terminal, of course. And now I need to look at pitch pull start. So pitch pull start, which is here. Pitch pull, and this pitch pull start, so it is appending to the data log, and pitch pull end as well, which means that it is this part of the software that it is dealing with and nothing else. So, oh, and here a knot that I included as well, which is this part. So that means that I have my doubts about the execution of this part. Is it being executed? So far the answer is no. So how can I change it? Okay, so what can I do best to make sure things actually work the way they are supposed to do? Turn the hand. Which is, this is a wrist with this chain you can see here. Well, it can of course move, so let me move it manually since it is not really responding mechanically, and see if this changes, because now this one is impressed and maybe a bit too much. Okay, this is more neutral. And yeah, okay, let's see it this way and try again. What happens this time? Very curious about it. And it's coming back now. It is pulling the pitch of the hand continuously, and it's releasing again, and this switch is active. So quit, and now see what is happening. What did happen? I am looking for something like this and hand pitch release. Although that is probably a false idea, but anyway, T2, digital 2, hand pitch release. Let's see. And I should of course look here. This is all T2.2 with what actually? Pitch pull end. Yeah, that is what I said at the end. But I need something to show right here. Oh, 10. See, this is right here, and not at the underside, but at the top. This is at the positive side. At the bottom side it says if not, and here said if it is. So that's a change. And where's the 0 coming from? Some typo from me, I suppose. Hand pitch release. That is obviously from here. Hand pitch release. I should have said if positive, but anyway. What is the other one? Pitch pull start. And here it says hand pitch release. Well, this is obviously hand pitch release, so the position of the hand is of direct influence of this. And now I've turned the hand and that's working. So that's the difference. Which means, by the way, also that I have to look again into the mechanics of the wrist. Because if it's not running, you always get the same result. Ouch. So with this knowledge, which was quite obvious of course, I have to look also at this, the schematics, and well, this is the extension schematics. Here I have the hand pitch and left and right, and obviously not this motor, but no, this is the pneumatics. This is the arm switch box, but it is switch pivot wrist. This has to be completely in order, and then I can do the rest. So wrist yaw and wrist pivot are important for the whole situation to work. How do I get things working? Well, that's not a problem, because once upon a time the wrist worked perfectly and then stopped working. But in order to get this all working again, I have to get wrist mechanism working. So I guess that's the topic of next video. Now I know by analysis that that is the problem why I got all the same results. Now they're different because of the wrist. And with that I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. Please leave a suggestion or comment, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please consider to support by becoming either a patron or donate via PayPal or IBAN, and you don't need an account for PayPal to use it. More information see under this video or on my website. A link is under the video as well. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, stay safe, see you later, take care, bye.